Hello everyone. Today's video about quadratic factorization. I hope you see the previous video and by that video you understand very well how can we use the sign and brackets to factorization. Okay. So quadratic factorization, this expression we write in a two brackets, right? So first draw the two brackets. Okay. First term is a x square without any number front of it, means without coefficient. So just simply first term of the both bracket going to be a x. Okay, now look over here. All terms are positive. So after x, sign going to be a plus. Okay, now here only we have to find what would be the number here. So how can we decide that? Let's first we find the all factor pairs of the 10, which is a 1 times 10 and 2 times 5. Okay, 3 and 4 is not a factor of 10 and 5 already here. So we got the all factor of the 10s. Okay, now let's see here we have a two factor pairs here, right? So we have to decide which factor pair we are going to use here. How can we decide it? It depends on this number coefficient of the x that will decide. So we need here 7. When we multiply these two numbers, we want the 10. But when we add or subtract them, we need the 7. So 10 plus 1 equal to 11, or 10 take away 1 equal to 9. So it won't give us 7. But yes, 2 plus 5 gives us 7. So one bracket has a 2, other bracket has a 5. So this is our answer. So x plus 2 and x plus 5, this is our answer. Let's move on for the second example. X square minus 6x plus 5. So as I told you, make the two brackets. First term is a x. Okay, here not all terms are positive, right? This 6x is a negative. So let's first we make the all factor pairs of the 5. This last constant term, 5 is a prime number. So obviously it has only one factor pair, 5 times 1. Okay. So when we multiply that, we need the positive 5. But when we add or subtract, then we need the minus 6. So, okay, it means we need the at least one sign is a negative because we need the minus 6. But see, minus 5 plus 1 gives us minus 4, right? We have to make the both negative. Minus 5 times minus 1 gives us plus 5, right? Because minus times minus equal to plus. So that gives us plus sign, and minus 5 plus minus 1 gives us minus 6. So this is our answer, x minus 5 and x minus 5 and x minus 1. This is the answer. So remember, if we need the positive number after multiplying two number, either both number must be positive or both number must be negative. Then after multiplication we will get the positive answer. Okay, let's move on for the example number 3. Here two brackets, first terms for the both bracket is a x and x. Okay, let's we write first the all factor pairs of the 8, which is a 1 times 8, 2 times 4. 3 is not a factor of 8 and 4 already here. So we done all the factor pairs of the 8. Okay, now after multiplying two numbers, we need the negative 8. It means one number must be negative, one number must be positive, because negative times positive equal negative, and we need the negative 8. Okay, now let's how we decide which factor pair we are going to use. So we need the positive 2. So obviously this pair will work. Plus 4 and minus 2 gives us plus 2. So 4 take away 2 gives us 2. So 4 must be positive and 2 is a negative. This is our answer. Let's move on for the last example. Here x square minus 4x minus 12. Okay, so let's we first draw the two brackets. First terms is x and x. Okay, now see here, write the all factor pairs of the 12. So 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. Okay, 4 already comes here. So we get the all factor pairs. Okay, now which factor pair we are going to use. Before that, let's we decide the sign. Here, after multiplying two numbers, we need the negative 12. It means one number is a negative, one number is a positive. Right? Because if we need the answer after multiplying negative, then one is a positive number, one is a negative number. Okay. Here, after adding or subtracting, we need the negative 4. So, which factor pair gives us negative 4? This won't give, this won't give, because it has here no much difference between them, here big gap. So, yeah, 6 and 2 gives us 4, right? But we need the negative 4, means 6 is a big number, 6 must be negative number, and 2 is a positive, gives us negative 4. So, x minus 6 and x plus 2, this is our answer. I hope you understand. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.